Hey everyone, I'm Cole, and I'm super excited to announce that A+ Power Sports just opened up our brand new service center. So we have a brand new 5-bay shop. I have a trailer technician, I have 3 Polaris techs, and a setup technician to get all of you brand new units built and ready for you guys to hit the trails. And then I have 3 more certified technicians to allow you to have the best service, and if you have maintenance or breakdowns, we'll get you in and out of here in a timely manner, all thanks to this brand new shop. So let's take a look at it. My favorite feature of the brand new shop is going to be our single post lifts. So this is going to make technicians' life extremely easy, which means faster repairs for you as a customer. But just working on this machine at eye level is extremely helpful in the long run, and this is going to be a great asset to the new shop. All right, taking a look at our each work bay. Each technician will have their own service bay. They have room for their toolbox. They have a workbench with a vise. They have an air hose coming off the wall so they can quickly work on parts at their workstations. Each one is equipped with a laptop computer, which allows them to look up parts and different service manuals that are all online now, allowing each technician to get a job in and out of here as soon as possible. The technicians have tons of comfort features out here. They have their own secluded restroom. They have a wash bay out here. And my favorite is the in-floor heat. So in the cold winter, that radiant heat that's in the floor here is gonna rise and keep the technicians nice and warm, dry off machines a lot quicker, and just give an overall better experience for my mechanics. These are just some of the awesome features that we have in our new shop. The service center is now open, so give A+ a call, schedule a time to drop off your unit to get serviced. And if you're a technician looking for a new job, we would be happy to take applications from you. It's an awesome work environment here. Just give us a call or look on our website. If you guys have any questions about our showroom or how our employment program works, feel free to give us a call or leave a comment in the section below. You can check out all my current inventory at aplusride.com. And if you guys like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see all my latest weekly videos. Thanks for watching.